AI in Geopolitical Risk Management. Beginner Level Introduction. AI in geopolitical risk management refers to using artificial intelligence to analyze and predict global political, economic, and social risks that can impact businesses, governments, and supply chains. Geopolitical risks include wars and conflicts, trade restrictions and sanctions, political instability, economic crises, policy changes. These risks can affect supply chains, investments, business operations, global trade. AI helps organizations monitor global events, predict risks early, make informed decisions, reduce uncertainty. What is geopolitical risk? Geopolitical risk refers to risks arising from political events and global relations. In simple words, geopolitical risk equals how global events affect business and economy. What is AI in geopolitical risk management? It is the use of AI to analyze global data and predict potential risks. In simple words, AI geopolitical risk equals using smart systems to understand and predict global threats. A beginner-level system includes data collection, risk analysis, prediction, alerts, decision support. Why AI in geopolitical risk management is important. Global environments are complex, dynamic, unpredictable. AI helps by monitoring global news and data, detecting early warning signals, predicting disruptions, supporting strategic decisions, reducing uncertainty. Key features of AI geopolitical risk systems. Feature, purpose, data monitoring, track global events, risk detection, identify potential threats, predictive analytics, forecast geopolitical risks, alert systems, notify stakeholders, decision support, guide strategic planning. Example, geopolitical data, geodata, equals a dictionary with a country key. Country A. Political stability, low. Trade restrictions, true. Conflict, true. Simple risk detection example. Stability equals low. Conflict equals true. If stability equals low or conflict, print high geopolitical risk. How AI in geopolitical risk management works. Step 1. Collect data. AI gathers data from news sources, government reports, social media, economic indicators. Example, stability equals low. Trade issue equals true. Step 2. Analyze patterns. AI detects signals of instability. Example, if stability equals low, print political instability detected. Step 3. Predict risks. AI forecasts future risks. Example, if trade issue, print possible trade disruption. Step 4. Generate alerts. AI notifies stakeholders. Example, risk equals high. If risk equals high, print alert high geopolitical risk. Step 5. Support decisions. AI suggests actions. Example, if risk equals high, print consider alternative markets. AI in conflict detection, conflict equals true. If conflict, print conflict risk detected. AI in trade risk analysis, sanctions equal true. If sanctions, print trade restrictions applied. AI in economic risk inflation, high. If inflation equals high, print economic risk increasing. AI in supply chain impact, region risk equals high. If region risk equals high, print supply chain disruption likely. AI in decision-making risk equals high. If risk equals high, print diversify operations. Full menu-based AI geopolitical risk system, Python, def detect risk. Stability equals input, political stability, high, low. Yes, no. If stability equals low or conflict equals yes, print high geopolitical risk, else print low risk. Def trade analysis. Sanctions equals input. Trade restrictions? Yes, no. If sanctions equals yes, print trade risk detected. Def economic analysis. Inflation equals input. Inflation low, high. If inflation equals high, print economic risk. Else, print economy stable. Def decision support. Risk equals input. Risk level low high. If risk equals high, print consider alternative strategy. Else, print continue operations. While true, print N1 detect risk. Print 2 trade analysis. Print 3 economic analysis. Print 4 decision support. Print 5 exit. Choice equals input enter choice. If choice equals 1 detect risk. Elif choice equals 2 trade analysis. Elif choice equals 3 economic analysis. Elif choice equals 4 decision support. Elif choice equals 5 break. Else, print invalid option. Concepts learned from AI geopolitical risk management. Risk analysis, predictive analytics, data monitoring, decision making, global intelligence systems. Real life analogy. AI geopolitical risk systems are like a global intelligence analyst who monitors world events, detects risks early, predicts future disruptions, alerts decision makers, suggests strategies, ways to improve this project. You can enhance this project by adding NLP for news analysis, real-time global data feeds, machine learning risk prediction models, dashboard visualization, scenario simulation, integration with business systems. Common mistakes beginners make: ignoring real-time updates, oversimplifying global risks, not considering multiple factors, ignoring data sources, lack of context in analysis. Where AI geopolitical risk systems are used. Used in global corporations, financial institutions, government agencies, supply chain management, investment firms. Advanced systems include geopolitical intelligence platforms, global risk monitoring systems, AI-driven policy analysis tools, predictive global analytics. Simple definition: AI in geopolitical risk management. The use of artificial intelligence to analyze and predict global political and economic risks. Final summary: AI in geopolitical risk management is essential for global operations. It helps beginners learn risk prediction, data analysis, strategic decision-making, global awareness. It plays a critical role in modern business, finance, and international trade.